My video guide will help you to remove the unwanted browser extension that is called TrueDark. TrueDark is a special extension that is specifically designed for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of this service claim that by installing the extension you will be able to change the theme of all your websites into the dark theme. And this way, they say you might save some power or some energy. But in reality, the real purpose of this extension is to hijack a lot of crucial browser settings. TrueDark extension is currently promoted by means of fake security check notifications or fake browser update alerts. In case you install this particular extension into your Google Chrome browser, you may soon realize that a lot of settings have taken place, and whenever you start submitting certain search queries, you may soon realize that the results would be delivered by some other unwanted search engine, for instance by websearches.club, sometimes by Bing, sometimes by Yahoo, or by some other search engine that has not been chosen by you initially. So this is all happening because of this unwanted extension installed into the Google Chrome browser. In case you are experiencing such undesirable browser directions, we strongly advise that you carefully research the list of your available browser extensions and get rid of any third-party extensions that are not familiar to you. So access the menu of Google Chrome, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. Once you find this TrueDark extension, simply deactivate it and then remove the extension completely. Basically, this should help to fix the issue, and then when you submit search queries, the results should be no longer delivered by Bing, but by some decent search engine. In case any similar directions still take place and you don't know how to fix your browser, well, of course, you should research the control panel of your program, of your computer, and uninstall any applications that are not familiar to you, because sometimes browser directions may also be the result of some adware enabled in your system. So if you find something unfamiliar here, get rid of it. If this doesn't help, there could be some hidden adware or malware or browser hijacker, and we recommend you to examine your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Please get it on this official resource, combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download the software, install it, and then start researching your system to identify and delete all other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.